Ever finish an episode and feel stiff and guilty? You know the feeling. The credits roll on the season finale, you slowly peel yourself off the couch, and your back groans in protest. You feel stiff, maybe a little guilty for sitting so long. What if you could change that? What if you could turn that binge watch into something better for your body? This is the Netflix and Stretch Challenge. It's exactly what it sounds like, a way to move your body while you watch your favorite shows, completely guilt-free. And let's be clear, this isn't about workouts. There's no sweating required, no need to change into gym clothes. We're talking about simple, tiny moves that, when you string them together over an episode, really start to add up. As always, this is for educational purposes, so please stop if you feel any pain. The main rule is simple. Every time a specific cue happens on screen, you do a small movement. Think of it as a game. When the intro music starts, that's your cue to do a quick stretch. When the scene changes, another cue. And when the end credits roll, that's your signal to stand up and shake it all out. Your show becomes your personal trainer. First, pick your show type for the day. Are you watching a sitcom, a drama, or a documentary? Each one has its own routine. All right, if you've chosen a sitcom, your cues are all about the comedy. During every laugh track or big punchline, I want you to do ankle pumps and toe tops. Just sit comfortably and pump your feet up and down like you're gently pressing a gas pedal, then top your toes. It gets the circulation moving in your lower legs. Then, between scenes, when the screen fades to black for a second, that's your cue for slow shoulder rolls and gentle neck circles. Just be mindful and don't push it. This is about feeling good. Watching a tense drama? Use those high-stakes moments to unwind your own body. During the tense scenes, focus on long, slow exhales. As you breathe out, open your arms wide and stretch your chest, maybe resting them on the back of the couch. It's a great way to release physical tension. And when that big cliffhanger hits at the end, that's your cue to stand up, just for 30 seconds. March quietly on the spot while you process what just happened. And for the documentary fans, your cue is knowledge. Every time a new, interesting fact is presented, you do a seated hamstring stretch. Just extend one leg out, heel on the floor, and gently lean forward from your hips until you feel a light stretch. Then, for the next fact, switch sides. You can use simple household props to help, a pillow behind your back for support, or a towel looped around your foot to deepen the stretch. So why does this simple game actually work? It all comes down to breaking up long periods of sitting. When we sit for hours on end, our circulation slows down, our muscles get sleepy, and our body's ability to manage things like blood sugar can get a little lazy. Research shows that interrupting sitting with light movement can have a significant impact on your health markers. These tiny movements act as little interruptions to that sedentary time. They tell your body, hey, we're still moving. This keeps blood flowing and helps your body become more efficient. It's not about replacing regular exercise, but about fighting the negative effects of sitting in the hours in between. And there's a bonus for your brain, too. Quick movement breaks can genuinely help your mood and focus. Getting the blood flowing helps clear out that mental fog and can even reduce feelings of anxiety. You might find you actually enjoy your show more because you feel better while watching it. So here is your challenge. Do this for one episode today. That's it. No pressure to do it for a whole season. Pick one show, give it a go, and see how you feel afterwards. My question for you is, what will you be watching while you stretch? A sitcom, a drama, or a doc? Let me know by commenting on our social channels and use the hashtag Netflix and Stretch Challenge. That's Netflix and Stretch Challenge. I'd love to see what shows are fueling your movement. Now go pick that episode and make your binge watching a little bit better for your body. You've got this.